Is the JYX T10T karaoke speaker the perfect addition to your home parties? Well, we'll answer this question and many more that you might have before the end of this video. I got the opportunity to test out this cool karaoke speaker and I want to share my thoughts with you. So today we'll see what's in the box, test it and review it. Let's first see what we get in the box. So this is quite a big box here. Let's open it up. First we can see here some manuals, then we have some cables, USB-C to USB-A, 1 meter about, then we've got a jack to jack cable, about 1 meter long as well, and we have the remote here. Looks really nice feeling of the buttons, and we also have the microphones here. They feel really nice in the hand. And the other one which is exactly the same, and now the big speaker. Nice. So design-wise, this speaker looks really cool. It has this metal mesh on top, it has a logo here in the middle, it has these 4 protruding screws which make it look more industrial, I would say. And then what I like about this is that you can use it vertically like this or horizontally like this. So on the bottom here it has 4 soft feet so it won't slide off, and it has this pattern design, and then you also have here on the horizontal side you have 4 feet as well to keep it from sliding. I like that it's like a bit angled. The speakers will have a wider sound. And then if we look here on top, if you put it vertically, then you have a space on top for a tablet, for a phone that can rest right here, and you can easily change your song or anything here on the phone or tablet. You also have a handle, which I really like because you can just easily take it anywhere you want. Going to the top here we have loads of buttons and the connections, so basically everything is on top here. So we've got a mic connection. These are connecting wirelessly, these mics, but in case you want to connect a mic with a jack, you have this jack here, and then you have the USB-C for powering when you charge it, and then you have a aux in line if you want to connect your computer or your laptop. Then you have a micro SD card space right here. You can use it to record, because on this one you can record directly on the card. You might be able to play music from the card as well. And then you have a USB port here for the music as well, and the power button, on off power button. And then we have the control buttons. The big one here in the middle is the volume, which also has RGB lights, and it's really nice to turn. And then we have play pause button, change tracks. I think this is a loop button. Then we have the rec button where we can rec from the microphone directly on the SD card. And then we have an equalizer and modes. This also has lights here, which I'll see in a moment when we turn this on. And then lights on and off. And here on the back, so we have this for the speakers. Now let's take this off. Let's put some batteries. So the microphones use AA batteries, 2 AA batteries for the microphone. And then we can keep it pressed to turn it on, and you can see some lights here flickering. We also have this remote. This one uses 2 AAA batteries. Now let's turn the speaker on and set it up. So just press the on button and then
Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
I love this sound when it turns on. It's really nice. You can see the RGB colors right here. Let's connect one microphone. Yeah, so that's how it sounds. It always has a reverb, which is a bit of a bummer because I would have loved to be able to turn the reverb off. But it's great for a party, you know? And as you can see here on top, we have the battery status, and also when it's in Bluetooth mode, it will blink. Let's connect it and play a song. So on the bottom here, you can see T10T, connect straight to it. And you can hear it connected. When you change the volume, you can also see the volume here on top. That's the max on volume. does have some bass. It's quite loud, and I think, yeah, this is better for parties, because when you're gonna sing, you want it to be a bit louder and you have a bit more mids and highs. So this is a bit lower on the bass. Now let's see what other features we have here. So we've got radio mode as well. If we go to the radio mode, you can see it's already connected to some radio. If you keep it a bit pressed, it will look for a radio and it will fix on that. But you can actually fine tune it. You can save 3 channels as well. Now going back to
Bluetooth mode. Pairing. Connected.
As you can see, it's really easy to connect. It automatically connects to Bluetooth. So then we have the light modes here. It's really cool going down and up. This goes with the music. And then we have this really cool modes. That's like different colors. And then we have off. And then back to this one. We also have EQ here. If we press EQ, you can see now is more on the bass. You can hear it changes a bit. Play, pause. If I show you the remote as well. So from here you can change the LED colors. You also have some party modes. You can change the channels easier with the remote if you're using it in radio. Also the microphones, they look quite premium as well, even though this part is plastic, and they sound good, as you can probably hear from the speaker. So now I've just added a card here and we'll try and record something.
Recording mode.
So as you can see, hello, hi.
Play the recording.
As you can see, right? Hello, hi. Also, what I was going to say about the speakers, they have like less bass and more mids and highs, because it's a bit more important to hear the voice clearly and not have like a lot of bass, because it won't sound very great, I think. So that's why it has more highs and mids as opposed to bass. But I think like in a party setting, it will sound really great. With this handle, it's like really easy to carry and just put it anywhere. You just put it vertically, horizontally, and if the party is moving to another house, just grab this. If you want to take the remote with you as well, you can take it, and then you grab the 2 microphones, and then you're ready to party. You can have parties with your family, with friends, and you do maybe like barbecue in the garden. You put this up, you definitely are going to have fun. It's pretty loud, the voice is clear, and it looks really good with this RGB lights. Especially this is my favorite one. So remote for everything you need to control. You have all the buttons here as well. Really cool volume knob. It's really smooth. Really nice design overall. So another thing that you should know, and I like about this speaker, is that if the battery is running low, you can plug it in and still continue playing. So to answer the question from the beginning, is this the perfect addition to your home parties? Yes. It sounds good, it looks good. You have 2 microphones, 2 friends can sing. You and your friend, you can do a duet. You can sing by yourself if you want. Somebody else can sing. You can just have fun doing karaoke. And if the party is moving, you can move with the party. If you want to get one of these for your home party, there's a link in the description below. So if you're interested in a really good speaker for your room, that's not a karaoke speaker, that's for family and parties, you should check the Marshall Acton 3 unboxing next.